Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable or disable schedule tasks in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable schedule tasks in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here task schedule. You can see here task scheduler, just click on that. In this you can see second option, task scheduler library, just click on that and maximize this task scheduler window. You can see all these schedules, whatever in your PC there are schedules, you can see here. Suppose if you can see here Opera schedule, just if you want to disable this option, just select. You can see here disable, just click on disable. Again, if you want to enable this option, just click on enable. Like this only, you can select anyone. You can see here Google Update, just select on Google Update. If you want to disable this schedule, just click on disable. Again, if you want to re-enable this schedule, just select that and enable that. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable schedule tasks in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.